And here's a follow-up on this most recent lawnmower find, the Bilt model TB110. Now that I've got it all cleaned up and it looks as good as a new one. Seems to be starting a little bit better now as well. What a nice looking little lawnmower. Look under here. How clean this is, no rust. Just a regular 21-inch push mower. Kind of ideal for most lawns in this area. And a few scratches on here, but not that much. So no prime, ready start. Engine here, the newer Briggs and Stratton 550EX 140cc engines. Overhead valve. Very lightweight, cleaned up very nice under here. A lot of this is plastic under here. And this blade is in really good shape, did not need to be sharpened. Very nice condition. Let's give this a final start here. And also just wanted to show how nice it looked underneath where the bag is. All plastic here. And you can see how great a shape that blade is in, mulching blade. And I showed this earlier where you can actually scan with a phone app. I use red laser, this barcode here on this Bilt, and find out everything about this engine. Get your operator's manuals. So let's do a scan on this. And I use an app called Red Laser here, and it doesn't take very much to get very close to this barcode. There we go. And now I'll open the URL it provided. And if this comes out, you get all these different manuals. Lots of information you can get right from this barcode on this TB110. Almost new condition Bilt. Let's see how well this will start today. Here we go. There we go. That's the way it should start. Regular push mower.